Goodbye, Sunday Pier, whatever that thing is. I never lived here, but it was a fun experience for 4 hours. And goodbye to Seaweed King. Oh, Seaweed King! Seaweed King, I love you! And the best thing I missed. Dun, dun, dun. It's so beautiful, but I need to get on the train. And the boat guy that can point you. Oh, I want to touch it. Now I can go back home. Goodbye, tentacle man day. Oh, I'm flying so. Wow, the train looks really cool. Oops, went the wrong way. Well, that's cool. Get a fine spot. Train's moving. Oh, I'm walking. The train's really good. Oh wait, this is the camera. Oh, I want to watch something. Oh, I want to watch something. Yes! Welcome to the USA! OJ! Sulley! Calvin! Oh. Wait, there was no building here. It was a spaghetti factory. So, do I have to wait? I have to wait. Free chair! Get the Smurf out of my chair! Okay. Is it my stop now? Oh. The spaghetti factory, so... It's been almost 40 minutes. I can put on a song. Let me put this song on. Are we here? No, we're at the Disneyland area. Never mind. Are we finally gonna get home? Yay! Oh my god, finally! Out of the train! It's a new wow train, but it's time to go somewhere. I do not know where to go. I'm just gonna find something. I'm gonna go in the car now. I'll get some food now. This burrito is so delicious. Nom. Oh.